Weight loss before joint replacement surgery has a lot of potential benefits. Both short and long-term outcomes can be improved with weight loss. For example, losing weight can decrease your risk of developing an infection after surgery. If you have a new knee, losing weight can also help that knee last longer. So most people have experienced firsthand how hard it is to lose weight and maintain weight loss. The medical world is now focusing more on obesity and looking into the physiologic reasons behind why it's so hard to lose weight and keep it off. When patients come to the HSS Weight Management Center, they first undergo a comprehensive assessment with a physician. With the help of a dietitian, I then design an individualized treatment plan for them, and that uses a combination of both dietary and behavioral modifications with the use of FDA-approved medications for weight loss.